Hanim, Wagwan. Today we're going to speak about the fact that we left Jamaica.
So we left Jamaica.
I know it's sad. I know it's sad.
It is.
We are sad. We miss Jamaica. I miss Jamaica. I don't know what about Bar, but I miss Jamaica.
Oh, you are Miss Jamaica?
A bit, yeah.
You are Miss Jamaica?
Yeah, I miss Jamaica.
Wow.
We are the Yaman Girls. We are sisters
Yes.
from Israel. Our vlog is about music,
Jamaica,
Israel,
Afrobeats,
dancehall, life, you know.
Yeah.
And come with us to our journey in Jamaica around the music
If you love our energy,
vibe.
our vibe, you can subscribe to
We're
the channel.
sisters, not couple.
Yeah, true. So we left Jamaica.
We left Jamaica. I know it's a sad story. We're going to tell you a sad story why we left Jamaica.
How do you feel about it?
I miss Jamaica. What about you, Bar?
Yeah, me too.
We've been asked a lot of questions about if we're living in Jamaica, how long have we been living in Jamaica, and those questions. So no,
We are not living in Jamaica,
no.
but we are.
It's
when
our
we-
second home, you know.
Yeah, when we are coming there, we are staying every time for a long time.
Yeah,
And we don't plan it in advance most of the time, like all of the time.
all of the
actually.
time.
And
But
then
it's like God say to us. It's not say to us. It's like make us stay there for a long time. So that's what's been happening in the last two
time.
times we've been in Jamaica. But we'll be next. So why did we leave Jamaica?
Why?
The first reason actually it's because we missed our home. Israel is in a war, as you know, most of you. And we felt like we're far away from the country and we really want to go back and to support the situation and to be with our families.
And friends.
And friends.
And people that they are suffering, and you know, we need to be here in order to
Not feel like you abandon them, you know?
make them strong also, the spirit, the love.
Yeah. And we didn't finish what we wanted in Jamaica, so our plan in Jamaica was to make music.
To make the album.
But we knew that we cannot finish the album in like 5 months. We need more than that, and you know, like art takes time, and to make the beats until we found people we want to, you know, work with and we trust and everything. And in Jamaica, as you know, I don't know for those who know Jamaica is so good, but it's a really slow country, so everything takes a long time. For example, we recorded song 2 months ago.
It's
3 months.
chilling.
3 months ago, and it's still not mixing and mastering. And we shoot a video clip, and still, you know, takes time till everything will be done. But
Yeah,
we
we
have
have the
patience.
time. When I'm walking slow, I understand deeper and deeper stuff about music, and it's not my area, so I'm learning, and also about my lyrics and the accurate and what is the process. Like at first, I came with my songs because I'm a writer, so I wrote the song. But now it's the opposite. Like we take the beat, we listen to that, and we think what
Suits to the
what the beat
rhythm.
tells us. What we feel regards to the beat, and then we put the lyrics on it, and I like this actually this process more.
Also, it's easier to put on it because when you bring just lyrics, it's difficult. It's more difficult to try to make it suit to the beat, and you have like a structure in your head because of the lyrics, but then it doesn't work. And then you're like, how can I change it? And it's more difficult than to create from scratch the lyrics after you know what's written, what is the beats, how it sounds, and everything. So this process was interesting. I feel like we are doing like a closure, you know, like
What do you mean?
about Jamaica. I feel like we are how do you say it, like ending our relationship with Jamaica.
Yeah.
But it's not like
This
that.
is the opening.
We are planning to go to Jamaica in 2 months. 2 months? August, in
Summer.
August. Oh my
3
god.
months.
3 months in
my
August. 2 to
God.
3 months.
Oh my god, it's now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be amazing.
Oh my god. So we have 2 more rhythms that now we are working on them in order to make the 2 songs that we want to publish after the song that we recorded, and to go back to Jamaica to record it, because in Jamaica the feelings is, I don't know,
Freedom.
freedom. In Israel, we can record in Israel. Yeah, it's not that we cannot work on the music, but something more difficult for
I
us.
think a lot of people are feeling this freedom when they are abroad.
Yeah.
Like, Jamaican will feel it abroad. I am feeling that in Jamaica. It's like you are you have a certain behavior in your country, and then yeah, when you are going abroad,
You're okay.
you break the mold.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you just yeah, you are more authentic to yourself maybe, without the expectation of your parents or stuff like that.
Yeah, it's true.
And also the embarrassment, like it's not only the expectation of the parents, like now in my life those expectations are part of me, so it's now my expectation, and I want to remove it. And when I'm moving a place or I'm living in another place with another culture, they are not looking at stuff the same, the environment is not the same.
I'll give you an example. In Israel, if you will use autotune so strong, people can say to you that your voice is not beautiful. Wow, how much autotune. They can say to you that you're an amateur and a lot of those things. But
in Jamaica, it's like your voice. Autotune is part of this is part of the instrument that you can use, and they are looking at this different.
And you can, the autotune just make your voice to sound stronger and deeper and help you to reach to the tones and whatever. And I think it can really help you. I understand that. I feel like in Jamaica it's something I've never really heard, that most of the people with full autotune, it's like this is their voice. It's like they like this mechanic voice in the song on the men's when they are doing like the rapping or stuff, and it
but
sounds
it's
good.
not only that, it's like they are not looking at this, that if you use autotune, that it means that you don't have a voice to be a singer, or you cannot do that. And this is something that it's really different from Israel and the perspective in Israel.
Right.
And then what you are doing, when you are doing that, you think that you cannot make music. You understand? And if you want now, and you have those criticism in yourself, and no, I cannot do it, and you are talented, you can do whatever, you can do stuff, but your voice is a bit.
Yeah.
So you can help yourself, and maybe during the years be better and better and more professional. And yeah, you need to start from something.
Sure.
Yeah, if you want to do whatever you want to do in your life, you have to start in a certain stage and then just develop yourself. And if you need autotunes in order to start, so be it. That's how I
also autotune is the way, the autotune doesn't mean you have a lot of songs that they want this mechanic voice for the song because it suits to the lyrics and whatever. So, or these voices that you want them really tiny, so the autotune can help you to just match your voice to the exact sound you want the song will be like. Or so it's really, I feel like in Jamaica I just feel more open, maybe because
without criticism.
Yeah, I guess you have, but we don't feel it because we're coming from abroad and it's differently.
Yeah, for us, they are less criticized. I don't know what they are doing to themselves, but me as a personal actor in this game,
we don't feel it.
They don't feel it. I feel that they are saying to me that I'm pretty, that I'm good, that I can do that I have a good ear, that I know what I'm doing, and I feel
I really feel confident. Like they give you courage to do. They're like, yeah, you're good, yeah, continue, yeah, you look good, yeah, it sounds good, and it's nice, and I feel like it gives you confidence, and you just feel like you can do that.
It's interesting if Jamaican feels like that also.
Yeah, Jamaican people.
Yeah.
I don't know.
When they are coming to do music, if people really support them.
I don't know, it's interesting actually. I'm not sure, but I know that we feel it, and this is the reason we really came to Jamaica in order to make music.
You can comment us in the comments in order to
let
understand.
Us know.
Yeah.
So this is pretty much our plan, about later on.
So if you know people around the music world in Jamaica, and you have suggestions for us when we are coming, and
we would like to hear.
Yeah, to link up,
Yeah. because now I feel like we are really we have this video clip and we have the song and one song that we published already, but now we feel like we want to to promote the music. Although the video clip hasn't published yet, but when it will publish, we really want to promote it. So now we open it on TikTok, available to our old song that we posted a few months ago. So we went to TuneCore and we put it on YouTube and on TikTok, and soon it will be on Instagram. And this is the way to really publish it. But now we want to push it more.
Yeah, so if you have any idea, you can write to us.
And thank you very much, and we'll come to Jamaica soon. And we will continue our videos about Jamaica. So we love you a lot. Thank you very much. If you haven't heard our song that we published, we'll put the link on the
Bio
description.
Sorry.
Love you.